Want to stream your favorite mobile games live on TikTok? Here's how to do it. First, you want to make sure you meet the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and have 1,000 followers. Once that's set, you want to launch open the TikTok app, log into your account. Now tap on the create button at the bottom of the TikTok app, then swipe to the live option. At the bottom, you will find mobile gaming. Tap on that. This switches your stream from camera to your phone screen. Give your stream a title, add topic if you want, then press done. You can adjust settings like landscape or portrait, enable tips or add polls. When you're ready, hit go live. Choose your topic again and press start broadcast. TikTok will run a quick network speed test, apply the best quality it suggests, close TikTok, open your game and start playing. Your viewers will see the game and chat on screen, but you can hide the side panel for cleaner look. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.